Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Let's tap on it. Now in this right section we have to scroll and find the screen timeout. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option 10 minutes which is currently applied. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes and it will be immediately set. After getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on after 5 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.